The southwest monsoon has reached the state of Maharashtra, Radhika, and this has really come in, usually monsoon reaches Maharashtra around the 5th of June. So it's come in 10 days before time when it comes to the state of Maharashtra. This really marks the earliest arrival of monsoon since 1990 when it reached Maharashtra as soon as the 20th of May. We're talking about the 25th. Of course, monsoon has made quite a splash, but we are seeing pre-monsoon showers in Mumbai, and we're waiting for that final announcement of Mumbai also starting with the monsoon season, but it does feel like it's almost there.
That's right. Mumbai is witnessing record-breaking early monsoon. As you mentioned, alert has been issued across state. Yellow alert in Mumbai, and unfortunately some areas are witnessing waterlogging in low-lying areas. And remember, every year when it starts raining, even a short spell of rain is enough for this city to come to a standstill. Of course, civic body issuing rain advisory. As of now, the situation is under control. But for more on this, we're joined by Sujata, who's joining us from Bandra. Sujata, not much waterlogging at this point, we believe, but local train movements have been impacted and alerts issued. I'm sure there'll be traffic snarls as well in the coming hours, but take us through the situation on ground.
Well, Radhika, to get an update on that, the IMD nowcast has issued a heavy intense spell of rain for Mumbai and the surrounding regions, including Thane, Palghar and Raigad. And also if you talk about Mumbai, especially the Mumbai suburban region, wherein Bandra to Andheri and Goregaon, rainfall is happening at a record-breaking pace. And so far, even in Mumbai city, the BMC has stated that almost 50 to 55 mm of rainfall has already been recorded. So somewhere today is going to be a heavy rainfall day for Mumbaikars, which is why they have been advised to not leave home unless and until it's very important. And also, like you mentioned, that the local train line has been impacted severely, where trains on the central line as well as the western line are running almost 10 to 15 minutes late, because of which the BMC as well as the railway authorities are trying to update each and every movement to people, and also they have been advised to not panic in the situation. And at this point, it is also through the war room that all the activities are being monitored by the BMC, the war room that has been prepared at its BMC headquarters, where with AI-enabled features they are trying to track maximum areas where waterlogging could occur, especially in the Mumbai suburban regions, where we see that every year this has been a case where waterlogging incidents do happen. At present, I am in Bandra, and it is raining, not so heavily, but there are these spells of rainfall that is also impacting the movement, the traffic movement, and some level of waterlogging was also recorded in Bandra West, which has now been cleared. In BKC so far, no waterlogging since morning. However, because of last night, there were waterlogging incidents that were recorded at the JJ flyover, also in Lower Parel, because of which, being a commercial hub, people traveling to their offices or workspace are being impacted with this. And also we see that in other areas of Maharashtra, the Maharashtra government is trying to monitor and deploy as much NDRF teams as possible to ensure that people residing in the low-lying as well as isolated areas are rescued from there, taken to safer shelters, and no such untoward incident is being recorded. Also, these buildings which are weak in the strength are also being vacated, and families living there are now being shifted to safer places. So all the efforts are being done by the local municipal corporations to ensure that people's safety is a priority, and also at the same time the Maharashtra government is monitoring the situation very closely. Over to you, Radhika.
All right. Thank you for getting us all of those details, Sujata. Administration here certainly all prepared in case of any eventualities due to heavy rains. And of course, alert has been issued across the state of Maharashtra.